Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix can't open JPG photos in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix can't open JPG photos in Windows 11 resetting app. To start, enter photos in the search box, click on App Settings. When accessing this window at the bottom, click Reset. Confirm the operation and wait for photos to be restored. Chapter 2. How to fix can't open JPG photos in Windows 11 from PowerShell. In the search box, you are going to enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator and click Yes to authorize. There in the console, run the on-screen command to uninstall the Photos app. When it finishes, open the Windows Store. There you will look for Photos. Open Microsoft.Photos. Click on Get and wait for it to be downloaded and installed locally. Chapter 3. How to fix can't open JPG photos in Windows 11 associating app. We are going to open the File Explorer. There, right-click on the image and in the displayed menu select Open With and then click on Choose Another App. In the pop-up window, select Photos and tap Always. This will cause photos in that format to open with this application. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.